Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shula. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. So guys, in my previous video I had shared with you some gardening mistakes to avoid. Please, if you haven't checked out that video, please go ahead and check out that video. So today's video I'm going to update you on the progress of my flower garden. Planted these flowers about 3 weeks ago, and I must tell you that I'm so impressed by their progress, guys. So I'm super excited to just share with you some of the updates of my flower garden. So I went ahead and chose different kinds of flowers, different colors, just to see which ones I'm going to stick with next year. So as you all know, or most of you may know, this is gonna be my first spring in this home, so I'm just trying out different flowers. And at the end right there, I'm gonna do yellow flowers because my son really requested for that. So this is how my flower bed at my front yard looks like, and this is the after picture. I think I did a great job, guys. So guys, I went ahead and just used a variety of flowers, and if you want to know the names of the flowers I used, check out my video next week, guys. So next week I'll be telling you the names of each and every flower that I use. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do me a favor to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you get notified when I upload new videos. So I am totally loving how my front garden looks like. I love the reds. Again, I was just trying different flowers, and yes, I love these rose flowers. This is something I'm gonna keep forever in my front yard. That's how much I love it. I also love this one. I just love the red color. So guys, it's a windy morning in Texas today, so I want to apologize if the sound quality is not that good. Also, I'm recording this video outside, so you would hear the sounds of birds chirping, you would hear the sounds of roosters. That's my neighborhood and I just love it. So guys, what do you think about these flower choices? I love these colors that I chose. So let me know in the comment area what you think about these flowers. I was just driving to work this morning and I was just mesmerized by how my front yard looks like. I know I've been getting a lot of compliments from my neighbors, but I just had to take a video this morning to share with you guys. So this is the update, and this is how my front yard garden looks like right now. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also do not forget to hit that notification bell so that you are notified whenever I upload a new video. So thank you again so much for watching. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Hope to see you again in my next video. I love you so much for watching. Bye bye.